Today, I'll be repairing this Zelda 3DS XL. This ended up being a challenging repair, so watch till the end to find out if I was successful. And if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing and dropping a like below. And with that, let's move on to the video. So starting off with the first Zelda 3DS XL, I can see that it's very scratchy on the shell, and the serial number has been kind of torn off. And these rubber pads have been removed, so this thing has definitely been opened before. I want to test it before. So I got my sheet with me. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, that top screen is destroyed. That's not good. Okay, it turns on. That's good. Let's see if it's going to hold a charge. Charging cable with me? Yep. Charge light. That's good. Let's see if the touch screen will work. Yeah, just a bit very dirty, but I think it works. Yes. Let's see if it reads a game. Oh yeah, that's great. Everything seems to be working. We just, I think, need a top screen on this one. So to open this thing up, we'll first remove the back cover first. Let's see. Let's see the battery condition. Okay, the top cover seems nice. I'm just gonna put this over here. The battery doesn't seem much yet. It's definitely a bit stiff, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem. Let's open the other 6 screws. I usually forget this one. There's a tiny little black screw over here, so I'm just gonna take that out. So now we can remove the front cover. Let's see. I'm gonna put this over here. So a first look at the motherboard. It looks pretty good. I don't see any cable issues. Yeah, let's look on the other side of this motherboard. So let's remove the 10 screws first. So after removing those screws, we can now disconnect the cables. Take it and put it here. So now we gotta remove these guys. These are on the special one, I think, gold. So those are hard to find. Let's remove that. Put it over there. So now we can look at the underside of this board. So let me take this off. Okay, it looks pretty clean. I don't know if you guys can see it more closely like this. And the board looks pretty clean, so I'm just gonna put this on the side. So we need to replace the top screen. So first I'd like to remove the bottom screen from this. Oh, the digitizer came off. The adhesive is pretty strong. See that the digitizer came off, so I'm just gonna have to put that back. Oh, so I'm just gonna put this on the side. So after we remove the bottom screen, I'm gonna remove the buttons and check in with you guys. So to access the top screen, we have to remove these 3 rubber pads. So these are very hard to remove, and the gold ones I shouldn't screw up because oh yeah, I got it. Like that. Just put it over here. I got them all. So let's open these screws. So I'm just gonna put those over here. Yeah, so to access the top screen, we need to push up on this cover, like this. Yep. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this over here. So to remove this bottom part, I'm gonna have to push the hinge from this part. I like to use a very thin bit for my screwdriver to just really get in there and just scoop it up like that. Just put it in. Yep. We can take this part out. Take the light out. Now, with my dental pick, I'm just gonna push this a little bit more in, so I'm just gonna have no trouble. So just do this. I'll probably wash all of these parts because they're really dirty. I'm just gonna make it more look new. And these gold hinge are not sold anywhere, so we have to be really careful with those. So to remove the top screen, I'm just gonna push up. I'm just gonna remove this. Let's remove this. These parts are pretty tricky. Oh, it just came off. Usually they don't come off that easily. And usually it's these parts get lost pretty quickly and are really hard to find when they fall onto the ground. Now let's remove the top screen from this shell. Now here comes the tricky bit. We have to push these cables, roll them up, and push them through this hinge. It's really easy to tore one of these cables. I've never tore one, but we have to be careful. We have to get this antenna in. Yeah, just antenna out of the way. So to remove this, I usually do it like this. You have to roll them up really tight, so this part is really tricky. Like this. Yep. And see, it's that easy. So this is the top frame. I'm just going to put this to the side. I don't want to lose this piece. So I have to disconnect the speaker cable from the top screen. So we're just going to... Now we can have full access to the top screen if we take the speaker cable. Like this. A small adhesive on there. I'm just going to carefully put these on the side. You can see this is the speaker and this is the camera cable. I'm just going to put these on the side. Now we have access to the top screen. So I have a new top screen. We're going to install this new top screen. But first I want to clean all of these parts so the console looks newer. So after I clean all these parts, we're going to connect this top screen. So I've ready the water bath here, so I just want to ready up the parts to soak them in, so now we can soak this in. Give it a good cleaning. I like to top it up with some dish soap. Okay, now since that I've organized everything, we can now start putting back the device. I have this brand new screen and we're gonna start from the top frame. So first of all, we're gonna take the screen, connect it to the speaker cable. Now we need the camera. Now I'm gonna attach the Wi-Fi antenna. So now I'm gonna put the string ribbon cables through here. So I need the metal part, which is right here. So I first like to install it here, so to get everything in place. We have to roll these cables tight and squeeze it through there. Okay, so now that I put back the inner frame on the bottom side, we're ready to put in the motherboard. So I'm just gonna quickly connect the top screen. Now let's connect all the cables. Okay, so now that I've connected all the cables, I want to quickly put in this top frame so we can put the battery more in securely. I didn't connect the L and R buttons, just to test the screen real quick. Let's see. Blue light, that's good. Come on. And there we go. We didn't connect the joystick, so that's going a little haywire, but okay, that's good. We have a new top screen installed, so I'm just going to quickly close them up. I'm just gonna finish on the bottom side and check in with you guys. Let's do a satisfying peel. Ooh, there we go. Okay, so I can say that this 3DS XL has now been completely fixed.